Today we have a salt crusted iron skillet potato on the menu. So this is simple. All you need is to get similar sized potatoes that have been washed. You want to rub them with some oil and put some salt over them. Then you want to place them into a cast iron skillet and get them cooking. You're going to cook these in a 425 degree oven for an hour to an hour and a half, basically according to the size of the potato. Once these potatoes are finished cooking, you want to cut a slit in them, pinch them open, and get ready for a delicious meal. As you can see, the exterior is nice and crispy. That salt has baked into the skin. All we need to do now is add a couple pads of butter into our potato. Watch those start melting as the potato is sizzling, nice and hot, and you're ready to enjoy a delicious salt crusted iron skillet potato. If you prefer, you can also cut off the skins and enjoy the skins on their own. You can also dip the skins in some ketchup. The possibilities here are endless. No matter how you choose to enjoy this potato, it is going to be perfect.